Elicit positions itself as a smart AI research assistant, but does it deliver on that promise? In a world flooded with tools, can Elicit really make your research process smoother, or is it just another overhyped platform? Let's dive in. Elicit is designed to streamline the research process by helping users gather, organize, and synthesize information efficiently. The interface is user-friendly, which is a plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. You can easily create structured documents and manage your references, which stands out as a core functionality. However, while it seems to cater well to academic researchers and students, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the depth of integration with existing databases or platforms isn't entirely clear. The app does allow you to highlight key points and take notes, but I found myself wishing for more advanced features like collaborative tools or real-time data analysis. Overall, it feels like a solid starting point for research, but I wonder if it can keep up with more experienced users who might need deeper functionalities. Elicit has its strengths, particularly in its ease of use and clean interface, which can make research less daunting. It's great for organizing thoughts and creating concise summaries, especially for students or newcomers to research. On the flip side, some users might find its capabilities a bit limiting. For instance, advanced researchers might miss out on more robust analytical features, and the lack of collaborative functions could be a deal breaker for team projects. Plus, while the pricing structure isn't entirely transparent, some might feel it's not the best value compared to other research tools. So, if you're just starting out or need help organizing your research, Elicit could be a good fit. But if you're looking for something more powerful, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Elicit is a useful tool for those new to research or anyone looking to streamline their process. However, advanced users may find it lacking in features. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but for seasoned researchers, exploring alternatives might be the better route. Thanks for watching.